For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
India for the third consecutive day registered over 11,000 COVID-19 cases. The country's COVID-19 tally currently stands at 3,32,424. In what comes as a relief, India's discharges continue to be more than active cases. The country's recovery stands at 1,69,797, while the active cases stand at 1,53,106. India's recovery rate is at an all-time high of 51%. Although India is the fourth worst affected country due to COVID-19, the country's recovery rate continues to rise steadily, bringing hope for many. Delhi and Mumbai continue to remain worst affected states due to COVID-19. However, silver lining is the fact that recovery rate in these two states is the highest in the world. Recovery rate in Delhi stands at 38.36%, while Mumbai's recovery rate is at 45.65%. The total number of cases in India stands at 3,32,424, while the discharge stands at 1,69,797. Out of which the active cases are 1,53,106, while the number of deaths stands at 9,520. While the discharges have surpassed the active cases in the country, the number of confirmed cases in the country have risen to 3,32,424. Over 9,500 people have succumbed to the deadly virus. 5 states which have majorly contributed to India's COVID-19 tally are Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Maharashtra continues to remain the worst affected state due to the COVID-19 in India with over 1 lakh confirmed cases. Active cases in the state stands at 53,030, while 50,978 people have recovered and have been discharged. Tamil Nadu is the second worst hit state due to the COVID-19. The state has over 44,000 confirmed cases. State's active cases stands at 19,679 and discharges at 24,547. Delhi is third in the list of worst affected states with over 41,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases. Active cases in the national capital stands at 24,032, while 15,823 people have recovered from COVID-19. Gujarat, on the other hand, has registered over 23,000 COVID-19 cases with 16,325 discharges, and active cases stands at 5,742. In Uttar Pradesh, the situation remains worrisome with 13,000 cases. However, 8,268 people have been discharged, which is far more than the active cases, which stands at 4,948. India is at the fourth spot when it comes to the worst affected countries due to COVID-19 with cases close to 350,000. India is only behind Russia, Brazil and USA. India is doing far better than the worst affected nations in terms of cases per million population. India has registered 234 cases per million population, while US has registered close to 6,500, Brazil is at over 4,000, Russia over 3,500 and UK over 4,000 per million population.